Hey there! In this video, we'll show you how to allow websites to use your camera in Opera GX. If you're having trouble enabling camera access for specific sites, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your settings are properly configured. Stay tuned to learn how to manage permissions and give websites the access they need. Let's get started. To allow a site to use your camera in Opera GX, follow these steps. Click the O menu, top left corner, and select Settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Click Site Settings and find Camera. Toggle the option for sites can ask to use your camera to on. After enabling this, sites will prompt you for camera access when needed. You can then choose to allow or block access on a case-by-case basis. That's it. Now you know how to allow websites to use your camera in Opera GX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.